In front of me is HONOR Magic8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Start by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Coffin Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When it's ready, launch it and hit OK in welcome pop-up. Now choose Timeout to make sure Infinite is on. And go into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Finally, you can click on this icon at the top right corner to edit your shortcuts and select Edit Shortcut Switch. Now you need to look for Coffin 1, hold it, drag it to the perfect place and let go. Hit Done and click on it. As you can see, mine turned blue. That means that infinite sleep time is on, but you can always switch it off by tapping on the same shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!